right, today's the day. The All-Star Games 2024 is happening at the Smart Araneta Coliseum. Watch the live stream on Star Magic's YouTube channel. Let's get it on. Let's go!
Kahit na-injured ka na spray na yan naman si kanyang YP Sportive YP yan. Yun ang mga tingin ni Geraldo. Tatango pa siya dyan eh. Parang ano siya yung... Kaya yan. Next naman, mga tingin.
We're finally here.
Yes.
Days ago, we were talking about this. So finally, nakita natin. Sold out.
Sold out. Galing, oh.
Your thoughts about this?
It's exciting kasi first of all, sold out siya. So it's fun to play in a sold out crowd. Tapos narinig ko pa lang dito sa backstage, ang taas ng energy, ang daming artista, daming performers. So sulit na sulit yung maging experience nila.
How do you plan to go up against a team in Showtime this time?
Oh, we're gonna play our game. Lahat naman naghanda and we're excited para i-apply na lang yung pinaghandaan namin as a team, as individuals, nag-extra work kami. So, we're just excited and meron kaming chat group and lagi kami magkausap doon and we're motivating each other, giving each other mga inspirational so excited na the day is here.
Nung natalo kayo last year, may pressure ba ngayon na dapat manalo Star Magic dahil alam mo, it's a Star Magic event?
No pressure, excitement.
How you play, you guys were all confident in yourselves. Nag-i-improve kayo habang naglalaro, parang gumagaling na rin pala yan, gumagaling. And just hats off to Coach, who was injured.
Go, let's go, let's